YouTube, miss you all. It's been 1 week. I know it's been quarantined for 2 weeks, but who's counting, right? First, before I get into bad news, because I still don't have any questions from any of you regarding Ask a Veteran, because I can contact my veterans from those wars and they can answer these questions via telephone or maybe webcam. Maybe I could record it for you all so you could see that this person can answer your questions. Ask any question you like. I don't know. I'm a veteran. I don't have any questions for veterans. Maybe you're not a veteran, or maybe you do, or maybe you are and you want to have a question for a World War I veteran. You're a veteran now. Don't know. Hold on, let me smoke. So, this is more not towards me per se, because I am not a fan of pharma or pharmaceuticals, but my medicine is called essential in my state, at least. And I even think weapons or guns, as well as cannabis or marijuana for you slang term people, is essential. Just like, hospitals are essential in this crisis that we're having right now. So I'll post the link below. My fiance gave me the news and of what I'm going to tell you at the end, the badder news, the worst news I feel is worse. But right now, just so you know, the bad news is that TRICARE users for pharmaceuticals on military bases or clinics or hospitals will more likely close or stop, stop access to non-active duty personnel, or they might have some sort of delivery service, curbside service, or they'll want you to mail it out, prescriptions. The worst part is that you're going to get those copays, because if you're a veteran that takes their prescription on a base or installation that's military, they actually don't charge you copays. When my daughter was really sick years ago, I went over there and got the prescription. Didn't cost me anything. Got the exact same prescription maybe a month later off a base, paid copays. So you more likely might get copays, and you might not be able to get base access from what it looks like because of this outbreak. So I am sorry for all that. Of course, it's not my fault. I'm gonna toke. Like I said, ask any question you want towards a veteran. I got Ask a Veteran on YouTube, as well as Pedro H, which is this channel. Ask any question you've been dying to ask a veteran. Me, per se, because I am a veteran as well. I went to the Iraq-Baghdad War in 06, 07. So if you have questions for me, you can. For those of you that are not in school, you're lucky. For those of you that are not in work, I'm sorry. I have no idea if you can get a grocery store delivery job, but those are options as well. You can deliver food. I think Postmates, you can ride your bicycle and deliver that way if you're if you don't fear getting COVID-19, or if you have enough money to sustain your family, I say buckle down, get baked, watch my videos. I got plenty of videos. So I don't want to get to the worst news until yet, but I have to, because I'm on this channel for how long? How long have I been on this channel? Oh, wow. Just 5-minute break? Damn. Well, my fiance gave me the news, and I feel that this is the worst news compared to what I gave about pharma. That's bad news because people need their drugs, but I got my cannabis, and that's my drug, if you will. Really stressed out. Sorry, y'all. A New Jersey Army National Guard was admitted to the hospital for his sickness on March 21st. Captain Douglas, I'm going to brutal his name, so I'm just going to spell it. H is in hotel, I is in India, C is in Charlie, K is in kilo, O is in Oscar, K is in kilo. He worked in the medical field in the National Guard as well as in civilian world, and he died on March 28th. So my hat off to friends and family, and just for all those that are sick. There was reported yesterday at 568 troops of service members have been positive for COVID-19, and I hope they're just positive and they get rid of it and they get well, because like I said, my hat off to the first service member that died. I'm going to dab for him and his family and his friends, and for all of you either sick and watching this video and getting better, whether it be sick, homesick, school sick, homesick, you're probably at home, sick with COVID-19, sick of your family with you 24/7, you want to leave the place and you can't because the president told you not to. Cheers. Good luck. Be safe. Be nice. Remember to wash your hands. They say 20-second wash with warm water. Make sure you get your nails and your knuckles, the back of your hands, your wrists, your thumbs. Cough in your shoulder. Sneeze in your shoulder. Use some sort of protective if you're going to puff, pass. Disinfect all the usable or most used surfaces. And apparently social distancing is going to help, which is 6 feet away from the other person. Except for me. You guys can stay right here close to my heart. It's like not even an inch. Love you.